Adobe Express has been updating their UI a lot, and many things have changed location. Specifically, I want to show you how to find where to flip horizontally and vertically. So first, you need to select your layer, and then you'll get this side menu here on the left-hand side. And under Edit, you should see an option called Position. Hit Position, and then all the way at the bottom, there's a couple flips. There's Flip H, which is flip horizontal, and Flip V, which is flip vertical. So if I hit Flip H, I've got my character facing the other direction just like I wanted. I could flip V, but it wouldn't make much sense. But maybe for you, it does. So that's how you do it. It's super easy once you know where to find it. And I hope that this helped you guys. If it did, check out my playlist in Adobe Express for more. And I appreciate you watching.